In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how to successfully unsync contacts on TikTok app for Windows, Mac, laptop, iPhone, Android, Play Store. You kind of get the point. Alright, let's get right into the video. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. I have the TikTok app opened on my iOS Apple Steve Jobs phone. See what I did there? Basically, I'm going to click this option next to inbox, which has profile. And on the top right hand of the screen, you can click this icon next to the shoe icon right there. And then the fourth icon, you want to click settings and privacy. Now, if we scroll down, we have a list of different options from support, login. But if we scroll back up, we want to click the second icon, which is above account, which says privacy. And basically, if you scroll down, you have a couple options. Suggest your account to others, in contacts, and Facebook friends. We're going to click suggest your account to others. And as you can see now, well, basically nothing is being suggested because we have unsunk everything from TikTok. You can tell because the icon to the right of contacts, Facebook friends, and people who open or send links to you is color white or it's color gray, which basically means that, well, no one can find you. But if you want people to find you, you basically just click on the icon and then it turns color blue. And now people can find you on your contacts. If you click it again, it turns white or it turns color gray. You can do that again with sync contacts and Facebook friends. And again, as you can see, everything is color white or it's color gray. So now you have successfully unsent contacts on TikTok completely for free. If this video, like, share the video if you found value, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more free tutorials. I'm out. Peace. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.